Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about the mythic straw hat, which is going to be this one right here. Now, I'm going to talk about the straw hat and then I will talk about how you can get it. But first, let us move away from this waterfall because that noise is annoying me. Alright, so now that you're away from the waterfall, let us talk about this straw hat. Now this straw hat is a mythic item. It's going to be very difficult to get. But what this hat does is, if you're a human, it does really nothing. If I take the hat off, it does, like, I'm not really getting any HP bonuses. I still have the plus 135 and that's just it. So what this hat does is basically, if you're a demon, and any demon that does not have the Kamado is not from the Kamado clan, as in Tanjiro and Nezuko Kamado. If you're not from the Kamado clan, you will take damage from the sun. So since my clan is, well, since I don't have the Kamado clan tag, I will take damage from the sun. What the straw hat does is it negates the sun. It basically gives you this protection from the sun, and that's about it. So you can basically, okay, what just happened? So you can basically run under the sun while being a demon with the straw hat on. Without the straw hat and without the Kamado clan tag, you won't be able to run under the sun, as you are gonna take a lot. And when I say a lot, you're gonna take 20 damage per second. So yeah. Now let me tell you how to get this straw hat. In order to get this straw hat, you will need to beat some of the bosses. By the boss, I mean any type of boss, really doesn't matter. You could beat the boss here. This is the easiest boss in my opinion. All you need is a sword, and all you gotta do is spam your attack. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay. As you can see, you get, like, if you just spam your attack, other than the spin one is really gonna do a lot of damage. So basically just spam your attacks, get him down to, like, just basically finish him off, and he's gonna be the one that drops you the chest. And once he drops you the chest, you can easily just get the straw hat from that. Now, the thing about the straw hat is, since it's a mythic item, it's gonna be very difficult to get. And since that's the factor, you might have to beat him like hundreds of times and you might still not get it. Now, I'm not gonna fight him because it's gonna be a waste of time, but yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.